One of the best ways to avoid your house getting broken into is to install a good quality deadbolt lock on every exterior door. Now, there's a couple different kinds of deadbolts, and you may need to check with your local building code to make sure of exactly what type you may be able to use because of several safety issues. Here's a good example. This is a single cylinder deadbolt which has a key on this side and a thumb lock on the other side. Now, in the event of a fire, you can get out very easily, which is a lot different than a double cylinder deadbolt that has a key on each side that would require a key to open it in case you have to get out very quickly. Now, some people like the double cylinders because if you have glass on the door or glass adjacent to the doorway, someone could break the glass out and reach in and unlock the door. So it's very important to check with the building codes in your area. Now, the most important thing is to have a good quality deadbolt and one that has at least a 1-inch throw like this one does. That will ensure that it gets into the door jamb to protect it, to protect you from the break-in.